I'm fighting tonight because this is what I moved here for. I'm originally from Hawaii. I just moved here last year, and this is where I wanted to further my career. Fighting in Hawaii, you had to earn your stripes, man. They give you nothing easy there. You know, I started off, and they throw you out there in the pen, and now you got to get it. In Hawaii, they push you, man. They give you fights. I had my first fight in like 30 days. I had 30 days of training. And they gave me my first fight. It was a mad skills event. You know, they split it up in 3. I won that. That was the first time I ever got in front of people and did that. And man, I got bit by the bug. And here I am, man. I can't stop. You know, anybody that takes a fight, and then, you know, in this, I take my hats off to these guys. We're all athletes, so I just know he's coming to bring it, you know, and he's a stand-up guy. I heard he got a little jiu-jitsu, but I'm good everywhere, so I'm ready. I'm just ready to react. My strategy is relentless. You know, I don't like to give pressure. I don't like to give him room to breathe. You know, I got a lot of heart, so I like to push.